You play good, but you don't win.
That's fine. It's fine. It's just a beginning for the bright future of Kyrgyz football. We are very proud of our team. They did an excellent job. We could win this game, but we lost with minimum difference. But our team did an amazing job. We are very proud of Kyrgyz Republic team.
We know that the Korean team is one of the best in Asia, but today we are like near to draw.
Yeah, exactly. As you know, Korea actually won with Germany, the winner of the World Cup. So now, actually, we were expecting a difference like 3-0 or something, but we did our best and we showed that we could win them, and we will, inshallah.
Against Philippines.
Yeah, next time. Maybe. But this coming the game with Philippines, I'm sure that we will win, inshallah.
We hope so.
Yeah, because we know their games and they know our games. And as the coach said, we know their weakness. I mean the Philippines. Inshallah, we will use our advantage.
Inshallah, you will win.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, we'll play, we'll win in the future.
Kyrgyzstan, thank you.